Want to use your own photo as an iPhone widget instead of random pictures? Here's the right way to do it, step by step. First, press and hold the Current Photos widget. Tap Remove Widget and confirm. We need to start fresh, so your photo shows correctly. Now open the Photos app. Tap Select in the top right and choose the photo you want. You can select one photo or multiple photos. Tap the three dots, then choose Add to Album. Create a new album and name it something like Widget. Go back to the home screen. Press and hold on an empty space until icons start shaking. Tap Edit, then Add Widget. Find Photos. Don't choose Featured. Swipe until you see Album and tap Add Widget. Tap the widget, choose Select Album, and pick the album you created. Adjust the widget size and place it anywhere you like. And that's it. Your own photo is now an iPhone widget. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Apple iPhone tips.